Welcome to Parabin's Electronic Evidence Examiner, or as we like to call it, E3. E3 Universal, E3 P2C, and E3 EMX packages allow you to view and analyze the contents of mail storage evidence from different email clients such as Microsoft Outlook, AOL, the Bat, Thunderbird, Outlook Express, Eudora, Windows Mail, as well as Google Takeout Storage, and Box. This tutorial will guide you through the process of email database analysis within E3. Adding evidence. To add new mail storage evidence to the case, on the Evidence tab in the Evidence group, click Add Evidence. The Add New Evidence window opens. Select the email database evidence category and its source type. Use the Auto Detect option to browse to a file or folder and have E3 Auto Detect evidence for the selected category. Navigate to the evidence source and select it. Enter the evidence name, if necessary, and click OK. When adding mail storage evidence, you might be asked to define its options. For example, on adding a Microsoft Outlook database, you can select Scan Database for deleted messages to retrieve deleted messages from the database. The database is added to the case. As soon as the evidence is added, the Content Analysis wizard opens. You can perform the following actions to the evidence. Sort email attachments by file types, which will facilitate the examination of the email attachments. Index keywords in email to expedite text searches. Use the optical character recognition feature, OCR, to extract textual data from images so that you can perform text searches in graphic files. Viewing evidence. Once the mail storage evidence is added to the case, you can view its contents. The folder stored in the mail storage are displayed in the Data View pane and the Case Content pane. In the Case Content pane, the In and Total columns show the number of items in the folder. To calculate the number of messages, select the case, mail storage, or folder. On the Analysis tab in the Folders group, click Start Counting Folder Content. After the folder content is counted, you can hide the empty folders. On the View tab in the Displayed Data group, click Hide Empty Folders. The Data View pane represents a list of messages stored in the mailbox the same way as displayed in the email client, with unread messages displayed in bold. Use the Email Data Viewer to view the text of a selected message in different formats, as well as the list of its attachments. Double-click the file name in the Attachments tab to view the content in different viewers, including the File Viewer. Bookmarking email data. For faster navigation around your email evidence, you can add bookmarks to important folders, messages, parts of messages, or attachments. To bookmark selected data, on the Analysis tab in the Bookmarks group, click Bookmark Selected Data, or right-click the desired item and select Bookmark Selected Data in the context menu. You can organize bookmarks in a custom folder or for more convenient navigation. Printing email data. You can print email messages if necessary. In the Data View pane, select an email to print. On the Evidence tab in the Mail Storage group, click Print or right-click the email and select Print. Click Print to start printing. Searching data. E3 allows you to perform the following types of searches in mail storages. Sorted file search is to detect attachments of a certain type or with a certain file name. Keyword search is to find textual data in evidence that has been keyword indexed. Advanced search. Use this multi-parameter search to find text within messages or filter out messages by sender, recipient, or date range, or more. This type of search does not require the data to be keyword indexed. To search for attachments after sorting, make sure the data in the evidence has been sorted. On the Analysis tab in the Search group, click Sorted Files Search. Enter the file name or MD5. Use the hash databases to filter out certain known files or to search for files of high importance by their hash codes. Click Run Query to start search. The search results are displayed at the bottom of the Sorted Files Search pane. To perform text searches after keywords indexing, make sure that the data in the evidence has been indexed or optical character recognition, or OCR, has been performed. Select a mailbox, folder, or message where you want to search for data. Right-click and select Keyword Search, or click Keyword Search on the Analysis tab in the Search group. Enter the search request. You can use logical expressions like and, or to perform complex searches. Define the search area, a message subject, a message body, sender, recipient, etc. Click Start or press Enter. The search starts. Its status is displayed in the task pane where it can be stopped, paused, or restarted. The search results are displayed at the bottom part of the search pane. To search for data in a mail storage evidence, select a mail storage, folder, or message where you want to search for data. Right-click and select Advanced Search, or click Advanced Search on the Analysis tab in the Search group. Define the search parameters. Enter the search request, define the search area, filter out specific senders and recipients, define the date range to filter out messages by. Click Start or press Enter. The search starts. Its status is displayed in the task pane where it can be stopped, paused, or restarted. The search results are displayed at the bottom part of the search viewer. Export. E3 allows you to export a mail storage or its parts to one of the following formats: PST, MSG, EML, MHT, or EMX, paraben special format. You can also choose to export only email attachments. To export mail storage evidence, select a mail storage or folder you want to export. Right-click and select Export, or click Export on the Export tab in the Common Export group. On the Source and Output page, define the source for exporting, the output format, and the export destination. On the Export Options page, define the options for exporting. On the Filters page, filter out the data to export using multiple parameters. On the Duplicated Data page, define the options that allow you to avoid exporting duplicate messages. Once you have defined all export options, click Finish. The export process starts. You can see the status in the task pane. You can also generate the attachments list in a text file with a list of attachments of selected messages and their MD5s. To generate an attachments list, in the Data View pane, select the messages you want to create the attachments list for. Right-click and select Create Attachments List, or click Create Attachments List on the Evidence tab in the Mail Storage group. Define the name and destination folder for the attachments list. After this list is created, a notification is displayed. Click OK. Reporting. E3 allows you to generate different kinds of reports. To generate a report, select the data you want to add to the report. On the Analysis tab in the Reports group, click Generate. Select the report type and destination folder. You can generate one of the following reports. HTML Investigative Report is a report with detailed information on mail storage evidence, including its structure and the properties of the folders and messages. This report is also available in TXT, CSV, and RTF formats. HTML Evidence Summary Report is a report with generalized information on evidence in the case. HTML Email Message Report is a report that contains specific messages from mail storage evidence. Move between the Reports wizard pages and select the necessary options. When all of the options are made, click Finish to generate your report. The report generation process starts. You can see its status in the task pane. Once the report is generated, you can open it either directly from the folder it was created in or by right-clicking the completed report generating task in the task pane. This will conclude our tutorial for today. Thanks for attending, and make sure you check out the rest of our tutorials and videos on our YouTube channel, Paraben Forensics.